So student, today we learn capital letter A, B, C.
Yes, sir.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for doll.
D for doll.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ink.
I for ink.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for net.
N for net.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.